Welcome to Best Cars Review. Today we're stepping into the timeless charm of one of the world's most iconic cars, the 1974 Volkswagen Beetle. A classic that's not just a car but a symbol of an era, a movement, and a design philosophy that still turns heads today. The 1974 Beetle represents a crucial chapter in Volkswagen's history. This was the era when the Beetle was evolving from a simple people's car into a beloved global icon. By this point, the Beetle had already broken records, surpassing the Ford Model T as the most produced car in the world with over 15 million units sold. And the 1974 model kept the momentum going strong. Under the hood, the 1974 Beetle came equipped with a 1.6-liter air-cooled flat-4 engine, delivering around 46 horsepower in its net form. While that might sound modest by modern standards, it was more than enough for this lightweight car. Weighing just around 760 kilograms, the Beetle was never built for speed, it was built for reliability. Simplicity and charm got one of the key highlights of the 1974 model was the transition from a generator to an alternator, making the car's electrical system more efficient. This model also came with improved crash bumpers to comply with new safety standards and seatbelt interlocks, showing how Volkswagen was keeping up with the times. The Super Beetle variant, in particular, featured a curved windshield, MacPherson strut suspension, and a larger trunk space, offering slightly better comfort and driving dynamics compared to the standard Beetle Dot in terms of design. The 1974 Beetle kept its unmistakable curves and round fenders. The headlights were mounted upright, and the engine remained in the rear, maintaining that rear-wheel drive layout. The sound of the flat-4 engine is one of the most recognizable tones in automotive history, giving every drive a distinct character. Volkswagen also released special editions this year, including the Love Bug Edition and the Sun Bug, which came with metallic gold paint, sport wheels, and even a steel sunroof. These editions are now collector's items and command a premium in the vintage market. Speaking of the market, the 1974 VW Beetle has become a highly desirable classic in places like the United States, Europe, and even Pakistan, where prices range between 0.6 million Pakistani rupees to over 1.8 million, depending on the condition, originality, and engine rebuilds. These cars are often restored with love, and many parts are still available globally, which makes restoration projects surprisingly manageable. What makes the Beetle truly special, even today, is its emotional connection. It's been featured in movies like Herbie, embraced by car enthusiasts, artists, and collectors. It doesn't matter if you're cruising through a small town or showing off at a classic car show, a Beetle always gets noticed, and more importantly, respected. Driving a 1974 Beetle is like taking a journey back in time. It may not have modern infotainment, airbags, or power steering, but what it offers is raw, connected driving joy. You feel every curve, every vibration, and every nostalgic heartbeat of a machine that was made to last. If you're looking for a car that combines history, style, simplicity, and worldwide love, the 1974 Volkswagen Beetle deserves a spot on your dream classic list. It's not just a car. It's a cultural icon that still teaches us that less can be more. Thanks for watching Best Cars Review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1974 VW Beetle, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know which classic car you want next, because the legends never die.